The money is in. $1,000 on a live Alpaca trading account. It was deposited on June 11th. 60 days of paper trading led to this moment. Tonight I flipped the switch. Monday at 9:30 a.m. the system fires with real money. Here's exactly what I did.
Before I flipped anything, I captured the final paper trade. 6 strategies running. The primary strategy, 921 EMA. That's the one going live. I closed all 15 paper trades at plus 556 total. The win rate was 33%. Average winner was $999, and the average loser was $316. And here's the honest number. Without the 2 biggest trades, ARM and AMD, the system is negative $3,232 on a $100,000 investment. I know this going in. Reddit taught me that last week. 1,000 at a $5 risk per trade is not a bet. It's an experiment. Before going live, I added 3 safeguards based on Reddit feedback. Safeguard 1, risk per trade dropped to 0.5%. At $1,000, that's a $5 maximum risk per trade. A 4-trade losing streak costs $20. That is tuition, not a blow to the account. Safeguard 2, hard kill switch at 10% drawdown. If the live account drops $100 from the starting value, the system stops completely. No overrides. The machine shuts itself off. Safeguard 3, consecutive loss limit. 5 straight losses and the system pauses. I review before the next entry. No revenge trading, no overriding the math. As you can see, these are all in the code right now. All verified before I touch the live account. To go live, all it took was 2 commands. First, switch the API endpoint from paper to live. Second, flip real money to true. After that, the system was armed. Live account connected, $1,000, status active. 59 days of paper trading. That is what that output means. The command center is showing the live account, $1,000, 0 open positions, live trading active. Markets are closed today. Monday at 9:30 a.m. the scanner fires. Whatever it finds, it buys with real money. I'll be watching, and so will you.
Here's what video 12 looks like. I filmed the first scan on Monday. Whatever the system opens, I show you the entry, the stop, the position size, real numbers, real money. At the end of the week, I do a full recap. What did the system buy? What did it sell? What did it make or lose? Honest, no editing out the bad trades. June 23rd is my birthday. I gave myself a deadline, a fully operational AI company. The trading desk is live. The SEO client is running. The local campaign is out. 154 subscribers. We're 10 days from that deadline. Video 12 tells us if we made it or not. Hit that subscribe button. Ring that bell. Video 12 drops next weekend with a full week of live trades. If you want to build this yourself, the blueprint is in the description. Every command, every config, every piece of hardware. Monday 9:30, the machine decides.